Here's what I eat on the daily. Hey, babe.
Eggs with chopped up turkey or chicken breast, 2 slices of bacon, and I add some tomato sauce into the egg. That's why they have the red color.
Only clip we're gonna get of today. Her clubs are fucking growing. Come on! Guys, we're gonna try the unthinkable.
Unthinkable?
This has never been done before, but today we're gonna do it. What are we doing?
We're gonna pay for a gallon, but do the switch off Fiestina to fill up both of our bottles.
Okay. Oh.
1, 2, 3.
2. 30 cents. Wait. Oh, switch off to mine.
Oh no!
Oh, that's way too much water.
I had calculated that 64 and 40 ounces was going to be a gallon, which technically it should be because
No, it's 120 ounces.
123 ounces that is a gallon.
This is 100.
No. Oh yeah. I did my math wrong. Damn it.
And
Sorry.
did you go to college?
Huh? Yeah.
Pop, lock, and drop it. 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 Pop, lock, and drop it.
Dun 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 dun. Crunch.
So we just finished our leg and chest workout. Crunch is
Hacked. It fucking smelled in there like sweat, balls, ass sweat, ball sweat, and thick sweat, and armpit sweat,
and booby sweat,
Booby
every
sweat.
kind of sweat.
knee sweat, ankle sweat, feet sweat. It was humid and sweaty in there.
So the crunch here in the valley, like on Reseda, yes, it's packed because it's really close to the CSUN, like the Cal State Northridge, and maybe that's why it's really packed. But it's open 24 hours, and I feel like maybe that's another reason why. It's one of the only crunches in this area that is open 24 hours. If you want access to all other crunches, is $20 a month, which we're considering because there is a gym here in the valley called Powerhouse that recently got bought by Crunch, and we've been to Powerhouse, and it's pretty, like, for powerlifters, it's pretty legit. Like, it's not too bad, but it's not too great either, but it's better than commercial gyms.
Yeah, I just didn't like all the bumper plates crap here, and I felt like the barbells were like a little shorter. Bumper plates are so fat that if you were to deadlift 405, that's the max you could go. You have to put on the other plates,
Yeah.
or else you're not gonna be able to do anything.
And this is the loophole. So if you go to Powerhouse, they're gonna make you pay like $20 for this section, $20 for that section. It's all broken up and it's so confusing and really unnecessary. The loophole is because this is the only this is the only crunch that offers that really cheap deal. You pay $20 and you could go to any of the crunches, which is Powerhouse, so it'd be cheaper if you do it that way. And if you pay $20, you could take a guest all time. So I mean, if I have a membership, me and Soto could both go, or if Soto has a membership, we could both go. Instead of paying $40, we'll pay $20, but we're still thinking about it.
We're not gonna continue with Woodland Hills since I guess we got the promotion for 3 months. There was like a special they had going on, and now they want to charge us $260 to re-sign again the contract or whatever that shit is. It's not really a contract, but just the enrollment fee. Yeah, I thought we were members, and now all of a sudden they want to charge us $260.
No.
So that's why we're looking for something cheap, and I think Crunch is gonna do it. Palabra. Back to Jessica.
I mean, just for right now, until we sort things out. Like Soto really wants to get a membership at Barbell Brigade, and I do too. But I mean, times are tough, you know, and we'll see how things go. Maybe in the future, near future, soon. Maybe, I don't know.